Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep streak story on Snapchat. So if you want to keep your streak story on Snapchat, this video is for you. Open Snapchat on your phone and then go to Snapchat, go to one chat over here, and let's suppose I want to click on this user over here, my friend. Just go ahead and scroll down. You can see that if you scroll down, you will see Snap Streak. Just go ahead and screenshot this. After you screenshot it, you can go back to your Snap and you can just go ahead and click on this and click on Add New Story. Or else you can just go ahead and go to the camera button over here, go to the filter and click on Upload. Then go ahead and go to Gallery and tap on this screenshot. Go ahead and tap on your camera once again, and there you go. You can see the Snap Streak over here. Now you're gonna add this to your Snapchat story. So go ahead and tap on Stories over here, and you can see that you can upload it for public or friends only. You can choose this, or you can also keep on Snap Map. So you can do this and click Send. After that, if you go back and go to our Snap Story, you can see that you have uploaded the Snap Streak story on your Snapchat. So guys, I hope this video about you can keep the Snapchat Streak story was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.